Alright, so we're out here at the rec center parking lot in the back. Not quite sure if I'm parked in a parking lot or if this is just cleared land. I'm not quite sure. Gonna do some drone tests. It's the first time actually flying it outside. Did a couple little flights and updates, I guess, in the house, but yeah, we're gonna see what it's all about. Maybe get hopefully some decent footage for you guys, but time will tell. All right, we'll check in a little bit later. All right, so that sucker's running. Let's see what it looks like to take off.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
just reviewed some of the game tapes there of the first flights. I'm going to say I'm thinking it was far from perfect, but it is what it is. Going to be a learning curve, just like anything else. Stay tuned. I'm hoping to have some more videos. Maybe get some stuff from Russian River, around that area. It's going to be an interesting one. Stick with us.